Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Khushbu, incoming SD intern at Microsoft. Yeah, you heard that right. Guys, finally I got the offer from Microsoft for summer intern 2022 and I can't express what I'm feeling right now. I am over the cloud 9. By the way, welcome my lockdown partner. He was really happy too. That's why he wanted to debut on my channel. So I was like, cool. Let's I don't know what I'm saying, but I'm really happy. I want to thank you all a lot for supporting me every time. Starting from my first year when I started this YouTube channel, I was doing late code videos. Then I got that Google scholarship. I made videos about that. I shared information how I started to learn to code, and I learned along the way. I learned about AR application, machine learning. I learned different tech stacks and Flutter. And with all this time, I was making a lot of YouTube videos for you all. I was learning a lot of stuff: camera handling, lighting, sound editing, color corrections, and a lot of stuff happened. And I became Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, got into Microsoft Engage, and all my journey, like, it is on the channel. How I got Google Step interview, how I got rejected there, finally this acceptance mail. It means a lot. I have just signed my offer letter and sent to them, and it feels crazy inside me. LinkedIn is an amazing platform. I got so much love from there, so much of experience there, so many opportunities. Recruiters from different companies, DShaw, GS reached out to me there, and even I go give the Adobe test and Google first interview round. These are awesome things. I am going to share these experience with you all also super soon. Stay tuned for that. And yeah, I think I can also share my resume that got me into Microsoft. So if you want that, do comment down below. If you want any other thing from me, if you want any other guidance, do comment down below. I am here. I have made this channel only because of the purpose that I'm in my third year right now, but I know that when I was in my first year, a lot of friends of mine didn't have any interaction with seniors, and they didn't have any good circle, so they lacked the guidance they needed at that time. So I want to reach out to each and everyone and tell them that what is right and what is wrong, and give them my perspective, the senior perspective. And yeah, I want to be a virtual senior. And if you have any queries, that's why I want you all to tell me in the comments below so that I can solve them. And I don't know, like, it feels like a speech I'm giving to you all, but like, it is not a speech, it is just gratitude. You all have been there and stick to me. To all the 12-13,000 people who have subscribed to my channel, I would just like to say thanks a lot. And a lot of awesome content is coming on my channel really soon. And as you all know, I have also launched my live show on Unacademy, Tech Bites with Khushbu, where I'm sharing with you tech news live. So go subscribe to that and send me a lot of wishes on my mail, on my LinkedIn, on my Telegram, everywhere. And yeah, I would just like to say thanks a lot. And if you want to know my journey, everything, it is on the channel itself. I have made a complete playlist of Microsoft experience. So if you want to see whole interview experience, you can just click to that playlist and watch it. If you want to see my parents' reaction and my reaction, then you can check out this video. So this video was at time when, like, it was just 2 hours after I got the mail, but now it's like complete whole day after, so I am a little bit calm now. I would just like to say, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, it means a lot. Also, we are very close to 15k. On 15k, I am giving away GFG Google test series, so stay tuned for that. I hope you all are happy, and I'm sending you all really good vibes. Take care, and I am going to see you all super soon.